How do I know if my capacitor is bad? A bad capacitor usually shows up as an air conditioner or heat pump that struggles to start, hums but does not turn on, or shuts off randomly, and the clearest sign is a capacitor that looks swollen, bulging, or leaking oily residue on top. The capacitor is like a tiny battery that gives your air conditioner or furnace fan motor and compressor a strong push of energy to get started and then keeps a steady flow going while it runs. Think of it like a slingshot that helps launch the motor into motion, because motors need a big burst of power to overcome that first bit of resistance before they can spin smoothly. Over time, heat, humidity, and just plain age wear down the chemical paste inside the capacitor, causing it to lose its strength little by little. When that happens, the motor might try to start, sound like it is straining, and then just click or hum instead of running. A neat little trick most folks do not know is that a healthy capacitor should look perfectly flat on top and on the bottom, so if you ever see it puffed up like a soda can that was shaken and opened, that is a dead giveaway it needs replacing. Another lesser-known fact is that capacitors are rated in something called microfarads, and if the number tested is more than about 6% off from what is printed on the label, it is considered bad even if it still looks fine on the outside. Catching this early can save you from a much bigger repair, like a burnt-out compressor motor. One common mistake people make is assuming the whole unit is broken and paying for a full system replacement, when really it was just a cheap part that needed swapping out. So always ask your technician to test the capacitor first before assuming the worst. Another thing to be aware of is that capacitors store an electrical charge even after the power is turned off, so touching one without discharging it properly can actually be dangerous, and this job is best left to a trained professional. A lot of homeowners also forget that capacitors are rated for both voltage and microfarads, so replacing one with the wrong rating can cause the new part to fail again quickly, and matching the exact specifications is the simple fix for that. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.